yaphela iPirates yabantu namhlanje.
Hayibo kwenzakalani la? Oh, Chiefs 1 Maromo Gallants not. Yabona Chiefs bidinga only 3 points la. Only 3 points. Ukuthi idlala defensive football cha ibingakudingi kule game. Kule stadium ebedlala ngakuso. Ke sishayela izandla bafethu uClaude Lilebo ngokushaya goal of the season. Ngegame yabo yes15 goal of the season lelo. Uyathanda awuthandi. What a goal. We touch angle njeyana. Hayi, Arupi bafethu ushayiwe unethiwe. La lihle goal bafethu. Salute. I think lizothi ukubooster kancane neconfidence kancane because akenzi kahle and after korele ngimbonile ngathi Nkosi yami khona akwenzayo okungconywana since ke igame bafethu ibilokhu ku not the half time ku not Chiefs bingenzi kahle kepha Maromo Gallants yona bithatha igame iletha ku Chiefs. I think lela ground balijwayele ba understand that's why bebedlala kangcono compare Chiefs. Yes Chiefs adlalanga ibhola elihle kepha ikwazi lo manager ukuthatha 3 points. Lokho kubenza ukuthi behlale ku number 2 bebe iqembu lesibili elubest kwi-PSL njengamanje since uSundowns isahleli phezulu uchaza ukuthi Sundowns yona best team in South Africa njengamanje. Akusiwo kamanga lokho ingoba nakho ihlezi number 1 in 32 points. Chiefs is second best team in South Africa njengamanje akusiwa manga lobo ufakazi lobo njengamanje ihlezi number 2 30 points. Engawuthi Chiefs i team underrated this season and abalandeli bayo into engithandayo aba overhype kakhulu iyenza nje umsebenzi kuphela. Game bingekho inhle impela kodwa bakwazi ukuthatha 3 points yona into ebalekile. Lebo mabhuko bafethu experience ya counter. Yabona ukufika kwakhe kwiChiefs bafethu lo muntu ufika eda enkulu bafethu into ebalekile wadlala indima enkulu. Angiphathi masabehlangana noNdlovu uvela ungabusazi ukuthi uzokwenzani. kuNdlovu into engithandayo uphithizela iground lonke and akulula uthatha ibhola enyaweni kuye. Akulula ngempela nganomane wenza ifoul. Malithe enyaweni uphethe umabhuku wabafethu ubuhlakano bulapha khishwa ipass umhlaba and kushaya 1-2 touch football. Cabanga ukuthi ushayine kule midfield ebikade noBansa bafethu. Yes what a player uBansa. What a player. Midfield bafethu beyibambile. Yabona especially kusenongcabo kwiChiefs izenzela lapha eswini because umabhuku beyathi sayazi ungcabo bafethu akusumdlali othanda ukustep apha emake yabona nje kanjalo ukwazi ukusebenzisa ibhola masesenyaweni kuphela. But ke umabhuku sibonile ikuvala ikhala kwakhe ukumaka kwakhe ama crown jewels akawinile even ama shot akazamile ukwenza khona ibhola icishwa likora nje. Singayikhohlwa le ndoda. Intshebe. Uyahle intshebe bafethu. I think lo muntu bafethu 15 games kwi-PSL conceded only 6 goals wenza 11 clean sheets. Ukutshela ukuthini ngalonto ngalo mdlali and awukuthi uyaphuma nje egroundini unama saves akawenzile big saves for Chiefs njengoba ukwazile ukuthatha 3 points. Shout out to yena bafethu uBrendan Peterson and again bafethu ama sub coach bafethu ngiwathanda kakhulu ukuthi ingalokho befuna ukuriska befuna ukufaka uVilakazi befaka umsimango kunokuthi belahle 3 points bekwazi ukuthi beprotect leli goal bebelinalo njengoba lo 1 ngathi ususebenza kakhulu. Chiefs athola igoal sibuyisa kule ya form yabo ngo2015 bethatha league ukuthi babelokhu beshaya igoal 1 ku-Edwe bani ku-Edwe Morgan Gold kuMashamede noMathago. Engicabanga ukuthi mhlambe mabezokwenza lokho njengoba ebengekho kulokuzana uMiguel benginomfana omncane odlala kakhulu bafethu udlala kakhulu singamdlela umona performance yakhe bephezulu kakhulu bokwazi ukuthi even elose ibhola recover. Yabona nje speed sakhe basemsebenzela ubuhlakani bakhe kakhulu bafethu umfana kaMakhati udlala kahle kakhulu nje kodwa kuyena noKwinika basabe eda ngubani basabe eda umsimango. If lento bengayenza igame negame abethola igoal bethathe bofaka umsimango bevale lapha emuva ingakho
Ndidikiwe kulila mna ngoku kuthena kanti ndizawuliloko nje kulo nyaka kwenzeke ntoni kanti andikholelwa mna le nto le ngeba ndithi ayikho into enje kodwa nantsi ndiyayibona iChiefs ngoku ngunumber 2 isusile thina sikunumber 3 hayibo kwenzeke ntoni kanti apha eSouth Africa. Come and put a PSL. Hello, sis. Utata no tumela drop. Lo Pirates is big business. uhleka ntombi intoni ehlekisayo ubona ngathi ndiyahleka mna ndiyakusola futhi wena noba uzapota iChiefs wena uzosuka kwazo office ze-PSL esizi ndicela ubuza mna ndicela ubuza uba niyazicheka na i-ID zabantu xa bezodlala egaming kutheni ndisitsho ayo-Chiefs le idlala pha ayo-Chiefs le yasizi ndiyakuxelela akodwa uyihlekayo ngicela niyijonge ngenzeka uba iReal Madrid le ngicela nijonge beze ne-ID zabo udropile.
No time to sit and celebrate. On to the next game, boys. We take it game by game. 3 points on to the next one. There's no time to sit and celebrate that win. We went there. We did what was expected of us. Collecting 3 points. Someone here still holding on. We've got games in hand. Hold those games in hand. We are collecting 3 points. While you hold on to that, some of us are collecting 3 points. This weekend, some of us are flying the South African flag. While you are holding on to those games, wishing there were points, we 10 games in 2 points straight. 1 loss the whole season. Some people can't say that. Holding on. Yeah, games in hand. They're going to do something for us. No, they won't. This weekend, you're throwing again. While you are throwing, top 2 teams are flying high. These teams are we are Africa. We are South Africa. We are the economy. Yeah, we are the economy. You see why the rand is strengthened today. Or basically this past week, you see the rand is getting stronger against the dollar. We are winning. When I mentioned this long ago. When Kaizer Chiefs wins, the rand gets stronger. And I proved it. But yeah, boys, good win. We're not going to sit here and talk about that game. No, there's no need to, because like I said, it was expected 3 points. We lock in for the next game, CAF Confederations Cup. Let the arena owners hold on to those games. Hold them, keep them. Yo, hi. Guys, Lelepo scored from outside the stadium. Someone check on that net, man. I think I saw a hole. Lelepo ripped the net. From out, he basically was outside the stadium. He was sitting amongst the fans and he decided to shoot. Lelepo better shot was straight. Rocket. Goal of the season. Goal of the season. Yo. What is going on? What am I watching? So number 2 kwi-league manje. Banama game in hand bona njengamanje. Banama game in hand. Yawona ngizosupporta iKaizer Chiefs bafethu. Ngiyabonga umkhulu bafethu imnandi le club we-support. Uyibo. Banama game in hand. Abasawafuni. Hayibo ngeke umuntu noma ngayisupporteli iKaizer nje ine-ora. Hayibo ngeke i-ora engaka. Ngeke bakwethu no. Ayingeke bafethu. Hayibo ngeke. Goal of the season Lelepo. Hayi le goal of the season bafethu. So far mengayona leya kuzoba ile yandlovu lo we-Arrows leyayishaya against Stellenbosch. Lawo nje top 2 yami hayi ngeke Lelepo ngeke kwadayiswa into ozogcoba ukukhuthala kanje. Ngeke kukhuthazwa yena ngeke iKaizer Chiefs belidayisa ama-Aquas nama-Creams. Hayibo. Claude Lelepo. What a goal, man. Lelo thina. Hayi ngeke bafethu. Iyadla impofu idla ukudla kwayo. Wathi ngisale sengiushiya nalo myalezo ukuthi Saturday uzothi iqala igame yePirates neMagpies sobe number 2.
Imagine.
Yeah. Masithi iphela futhi so number 2. Yeah ne. Uyibuyi sometimes ishaya ngegoal difference engaka.
Angeke phela sishawu Chibhezeze ngo-5 goals ngisho sesifisa. Ayikhohlwana ayingeke. Congratulations Makhe.
We uNkulunkulu angena manzi endlini. Angena manzi endlini. Wesifiso thusi awuzongidubulela bona uNkulunkulu wami. Ngicela ungidubulele bona, dubula bona, udubula amabhodo, udubula yonke into, udubula gogo, udubula emkhulu, udubula amabhodo. Sifiso thusi. Iza we uNkulunkulu wami angena amanzi endlini. Jehova ukulunga. We ubani yena sengine comment ethi ngesikhathi si draw thina iPirates yenzani hawu kanjani manje ngesikhathi draw uChiefs iPirates
ngesikhathi sidliwa nalenzani nina hayibo
indinda singaka kanjani manje we angena manje endlini wazi wamnandi weBetway Premier Soccer League yazi yamnandi iBetway Premier Soccer League yazi ngiyafisa ukuthi sizedlale 2020 amagame awu25 i-team ngayinye kuso lokhu ishare nje ngo 1 point 2 point 1 point 2 point 1 point ngabikho umuntu ozohamba ngama point angaphekwa 5 okay angasha ngaphekwa 5 angaphekwa 10 ngabikho uNkulunkulu wami Sifiso thusi ozongidubulela bona uNkulunkulu wami Sifiso thusi ekhombe ozongidubulela bona uNkulunkulu wami angena amanzi endlini uNkulunkulu wami wesimakade kaze soba yini sengithembe wena Sifiso thusi ungidubulele bona bonke labalandeli abazolokhu bekhomenta la kule video yami dubula bona bonke uNkulunkulu wami ubani
Uyabona bafethu sometimes kumele siyeke ukusupport ama team wethu supporteni ibhola so mase yaqinisweni bafethu uPeterson uloku yasiphakamisa isandla bafethu uloku yasiphakamisa njalo isandla and ekugcineni uHugo Bruce kumele aphendule kwamele aphendule
lo mjito mfethu uqinisile makathi uPeterson isandla siphakamisa and to be honest I think something uPeterson squadini more than Stinger uGos. Let's just our feel bafethu uPeterson simdinga more than we Stinger uGos because let's been honest bafethu let's just be honest even in terms of fitness uPeterson is fitter than uGos ushaya ngomkhaba bro asimdinga ukhipha ushaya ngomkhaba dog going into the World Cup but all I can say ukuthi another day another win for Amakhosi and one thing about ama-fans Chiefs ukuthi you guys are so fucking entertaining. I wanna look, I want to get away from you guys. You guys are entertaining and annoying at the same time because I hate doing these videos more with the Chiefs winning because it's torture, bruh. Sitting here and listening to my friend the Chiefs going on and on and on, I'm like yo but they're also funny and I turn up with my friend the Chiefs. They make this whole banter thing like really really fun. Abantu abona uyimosha abe-Sundowns because you guys tend to get in your feelings kancane since then nashawu London. I mean, you guys are very emotional, but I'm a fan of the Chiefs and your Pirates. We can banter each other because we've been doing this thing for quite a long time. It's like fear, then do it banter. Yeah, and going into the game, again, my favorite. I think until we've been saying this thing from since season up until now. Guti, the Chiefs is not playing kahle, or they are not playing their best football, or again the Chiefs is in terms of football. But talking important, they go there, they collect 3 points, and then they move on. Because at the end of the day, in the important 3 points, because ukudlala kahle sabona, but when I 3 points, and I think that's a really good thing because. Just imagine ukuthi i-league iphela with Sundowns, Pirates, Chiefs beku-top 3 but lama team awu-3 eku-top 3. That means ukuthi next year u-Champions League soba nama teams the big 3 teams compete kwi-Champions League ne-CAF, which is good for ibhola lethu bafethu. Honestly, it's good for us and to have i-Chiefs ne-Pirates like mele basijwayeze ukuthi bedlale i-Champions League season in season out yabo. The fact that in this year i-Pirates we got eliminated early ayingichazi but seeing Chiefs, I think they will go all the way, bro. and next season mawungenzeka ukuthi babuyele futhi, and they'll just get used to ibhola lase-Africa, and before you even know it, they might even win the Confed, and they might even challenge for a Champions League, dog, because the more you gain experience, the more better you become. So yeah, I think this is really good for the Chiefs, and that's all I can say for now. Video namhlanje bafethu. The game was entertaining, incredible, better. Imarumu, abona nje Imarumu nesikhukhune. Those two teams yanginyanyisa, bro. Because those two teams, they only show up against Paris and the Chiefs. Against the Sundowns, they are nowhere to be seen, bro. But it's badala amateam asosowethu. These teams are boring, dog. And enye into ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi, like, what's the Kaizer Chiefs style of play? Kusukela kudala, angisho manje kusukela kudala i-Chiefs ayidlala kanjani? Because when it comes to Pirates, angiyazi ukuthi Pirates vele has always had ama-wingers dangerous who can create and do all those things. Ama-wingers from aboSikholela, aboKlate, aboSifiso Mini, like we had those type of wingers, yabo. And manje we have abodile nabo police, like, so vele ama-wingers ngingasho ukuthi into yethu. I-Sundowns bathi tiki-taka, shusha football, angazi. I-Chiefs yona, what's your nanwina kanjani kusukela kudala? What were your yayithini i-game plan nini? Tiki-taka, wingers, or just whipping the crosses ahead? Like, moguthi uyazi or you have an idea, please comment down below and let me know. Ngiyacela bafethu, and thank you for watching, subscribing and commenting. See you guys on Saturday against between iGame Paris neMagesi, and yeah, ngiyabonga bafethu.